Hey guys, I've been buying again. I know I shouldn't. This has just come from Hatton's. Let's get her going nice and steadily. She's not run in yet, but this is a really good high quality B12 in early British Railways livery. Got the valve gear and motion between the frames, so she's not run in, so a few squeaks and things to iron out. An absolutely beautiful cab that I'll show you in a minute. Brand new. How much do you think? Well, not cheap, but £79 these days is really good value for a nice top quality loco like this. And that's how much she was, just £79. If you're quick, go to the Hatton's sale, you may pick one up. They have another British Railways with a early totem emblem on them instead of the word British Railways. They do have the green one, but that's more expensive. I got a green one in the 1980s, LNER green. But it was originally a black B12 that I saw in my dad's trying catalogue that he let me have sometime in the late 70s, and I used to look through it, and it had a big layout on the front, and it had a B12 running and a class 31 and things, and that kind of really got me into it. So I've now got a B12 in black, and she's a stunner. So she does need to run in, but she is not bad. This is straight out of the box. I've just literally unpacked it, and I thought I'd better make a quick video to alert those of you that may be interested. If you want to get yourself a premium quality loco for just £79, then Hatton's are currently selling them for that. I don't know what they're up to at the moment. They're pushing out some bargains. Still got the details to fit. There's quite a few things to fit on this one. But not bad, is it? I think you'll agree for that money. Right, let's try and get a picture of that cab for you. Pretty amazing, eh? Alright, and in case you want to know what the R number is, it is R3545 British Railways B12 class locomotive. If you're going for it, good luck. I'm sure they're going to sell quite quickly.